And we're back, there we go. I can't play stuff. Yeah, I know, dude, you can't play stuff, you dumb shit.
What we need to do?
So join my party then, mate, and I will let you build something on the plots that I've put out. Please join my party so I can then start to trust you. Fucking dick. There we go. Very, very quiet today, I am.
Let's see what else. There's a few people from Death by getting the enemy that's being played on.
Nah. There we go.
Medic. He always off 50 times and he'll never play 50 times. Nah. See, I could do Madman, but sadly it's on Doug Deep. Hey, what's survival?
The update that's coming soon.
Oh, everybody. Oh my god. What is it here? Think of the. Oh crap. You know, I'm gonna add a new feature onto my house. So I'm gonna be a bit busy. Yeah, I know I'm gonna do. Bit of a chest. Rock up. Do I have furniture? Yes, I do. Where is my house? You can tell me that. Oh, why don't
I can't grief, no one can grief yet. All these people that has joined can't grief. They can't even do anything.
But I can't, like... You know what you need to delete? Is, what you need to delete?
Yay, he's joined.
Hey Dan, I know what you need to make.
What?
What's it? A lava pool. People could destroy stuff. Like... There's like a kind of a bin.
Yeah.
Okay. Now I need to destroy that.
You got a mic, dude.
That. Oh, you destroyed something in my house. Destroyed piece. What do I need to make? Oh, you can even destroy. Oh yeah, that stuff I know is destroyed. Do we have any boxes nearby? Like boxes.
I don't know.
Like boxes where I can use boxes. I can use some. Do we have any boxes? I need a box.
Well, come here then. I think who the fuck keeps breaking my...
Oh, block shop, here you go.
I can hear people fucking smashing glass.
Hold on. It ain't my house.
Oh, it's you. God's truth, spider. No, beehive spider.
What? I'm making a cellar? Delete.
Beehive spider, you here?
Yeah.
You're a bit quiet.
What? Block shop. Here, wait, I just lost the block shop.
You
Oh, there it is.
I think this is episode 3 right now. Oh, damn.
Of what, yeah? What was going on?
Of Total Mine and my new server / Let's Build or it's Let's Build / my new server.
You haven't gotten a lot of views.
No, it don't bother me. Well, it's getting people joining. I've had a few requests.
Oh, that looks nice now.
I think Beheld Spider. You're one of them.
I made up a nice fireplace with a furnace.
One, two, three.
Block. Block.
Yeah, so that's it.
This is all I need to destroy. Destroyed the one block.
Oh,
That's good. And who's that in my house? Oh yes, more Santa to get down my chimney.
got that. All the way down. 1, 2. This is massive.
Anyone doing like this is it's a chimney. Chimney. There we go.
Chimney for the big fat Santa.
I actually feel like making a house up here would be too easy. Wait, why is the building here? Which I'm in now.
Pardon?
Who's making this? I might just go off to the miner. Like, pretty tempted to go in the new game I've got. Oh crap! There's lava in there, that's smart. If I put lava
Oh,
in mine,
sorry, sniper, I forgot, sorry dude. I'm coming. Where are you, sniper? Where's your Where are you there?
Oh.
Here you are, there's a house or a plot for you. Actually, what plot do you want?
Guys, I just found this random
Do you want this plot?
Guys, I just found this place in this like hole.
Do you want this plot, dude?
Into tunnel.
Yes.
You know anything about this guy?
There you go, dude. As long as you don't grief anybody's houses or anything, you're fine. As it shows on that little NPC. That's your house. I've changed it for you, dude. Yeah, I've changed it for you. Now you can build your house.
What did I say? Lawyers only. What the frick is this place? Does anybody know anything about this?
Oh, yeah. Nice house.
Wait a minute.
Are you here?
Oh. What the fuck? What the? Hello?
Oh, what? Oh, sorry dude, but I've got to do this for you.
Where the hell am I? Somebody help me.
I've got a really good 3-9 up
Ah.
No, I've done it again.
with the same auto box.
You'll find...
Somebody help me, I'm making this random location. This is like employees only or...
Oh, just... you fly.
Yeah, you have to get out of there. Can I just dig a hole up?
My auto box is like a transfer box and my end is like that.
Okay.
There you go, dude.
Oh wait.
Rearranged it and went,
Ooh, is this a place? Ooh, this looks like a place.
Mr. Mark, where did you do that?
I can't get through. Oi.
What?
What the fuck am I? What did it say?
Oh wow, dude.
Reserved in that reserved DandaREAPER. Oh, Dan made this.
Oh no, the other guys made it for me. Oh wow, dude.
Honestly, I didn't even know what it is.
Very nice.
I'm going back and I'm too scared. It's like a car nigga. Whoa.
Where is he? Snipes, cool.
Where's the hole? Where's the hole to get up?
There you go, dude. Snipes.
I'm stuck. Ah. Yes. Yes. Burrito. Okay, honestly, why is that even made?
Don't ask me, I didn't make it.
I did. He's a dick. Oh, where's all the spiders?
They all made it. All the other guys made it.
Okay, I'm sorry if I said that, but... Oh my god. Oh yeah, what am I making to make a soccer field? You know, it's too really it's made a football pitch in the ground.
That's your mate that built it. Wait, is that Sniffy?
I know. Yeah, he kind of goes over the top with barring houses. He goes a bit too, like, far, and, he goes a bit too far and looking a bit too big. Guess what I've just found?
What?
While I'm going through his house, he's got that wall, he's got a glass wall and there's water under it. He's missing some holes, and I've fell into water, and I'm like, oh. I'll pour him a bait that make it houses. Like, what the frick is that for? Oh yeah. Wait, where did all the spiders go?
What? Spiders? Oh, we had problems.